All right, hey guys. Today I'll be attempting to revamp my portfolio website. I'll be doing that using Cursor, and my aim is to do it within 30 minutes. So let's see how it goes. Timer's on. Make sure you guys can see it. Let's just see. Yep. Okay. So this is what I'm going for my portfolio website. So this is my old website. I used it. I made it using Cursor and stuff, but this time around I want to refresh it into a more um, that just more a bit more modern and stuff. I feel like it was kind of dark and some of the text is hard to see and stuff. And over here, right here, like there's some UI issues. So just fixing that, making the project section a bit more easier to interact with and stuff, and just that looks more UI friendly. So that's basically what I'm going here. So the way I'm going to be doing it, I want to make it similar to this right here. This is my banner right here. So I'm just going to feed this to Cursor, and then it'll do the rest. All right, let's ask agent, um, create me a new landing page website for my portfolio using this banner image. Follow the design elements. And let's say, let's use my old website that has more content in, and scrape my old website for its contents. I guess it's using in React. I want it in HTML, so let's make it in plain HTML CSS. Looks like it's generating the HTML page. Okay, you can see it's following the same type of format. Creating some CSS. All good. Okay, it's adding some interactivity using JavaScript for animations, looks like. Septum. Okay. Like, why is it running so slow? Still have tokens, right? Looks like it's adding some banner. Oh, we probably don't want to do this. Pause. Color theme. So I said don't add the banner in it. I just want to use the banner for the color theme. That's the weird thing about cursor, it just assumes. So gotta hold its hand and make sure it's doing the right thing. Oh god, that looks terrible. Wonder if I make it convert it into a React slash Tailwind. Actually, no, we don't really need to do that here. I just want to make it simply. Um, so I did make this website using Lovable here. They did a really good job, I think. Let me see if I can just, since I ran out of credits, let's see if I can use it. Um, use the code to build upon it. Oh, that's pretty cool. It lets you publish a site on Lovable. That's actually pretty cool. Huh. Okay, let's see if we can, just from a screenshot, if it can do its work. Let me see how to export your Lovable code. Okay, I guess we can connect it to GitHub. Let's try that. While it's doing its thing here. Okay, connect to GitHub, link new organizations. Okay, let me try on GitHub then. Let's see where the code is. Maybe try refreshing it. Let's see. Yeah, sync your project two-way with GitHub to collaborate on source. Okay. Oh, so I guess we need GitHub organizations. Um. Okay. So yeah, I mean, all repositories. Yep. Link it. Okay, transferred it. I guess we can view it from here now. Nice, amazing. And this is the project. Good. Okay. What did they do here, right? So let's see. To start a local server, we're just gonna put npx http server. I think we might need to install that. Yeah, that looks trash. So you know what? Let's run this. Alright, you know what? Let's go into that new repo that we just created. And let's just git clone it. Quickly do what we can. To okay, go over here. Let's open it up. Less, and then I guess we can just open up the file. I think it should work like that, or maybe not. Open to browser to view. I guess it's using Tailwind, so we might need to install stuff here. Oh, so it made it. Okay, so npm rub. It's gonna make sure, and then okay. Yeah, we can install everything first. Let's do that. So yeah, I mean that's a quick way to get out of the. I ran out of free credits in um Lovable. Lovable has a really good UI. Like it makes a really good, nice UI. But like I'm already paying for cursor, so might as well just use that. So I've exported it, put it on my thing, GitHub. So now I guess I just click this link and we got more errors. Amazing. So what does it say now? Does this file exist? It does exist. Just double check. Oh, what the heck? Oh, okay. I guess this was in the midst of making it, and then it didn't get poured over. Uh, I just commented. Oh, I think it was like in progress type of code. Okay. 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 Amazing. So now it's running on our local server. It's exactly what we needed here, and we got the website made here. Previously, I did the same thing with Lovable. Just want to make sure you guys can see what I did here. So this took me like 15 minutes, I'd say, or I would say 10, 5 to 10, 5 to like, I don't even know how long it took me. 15:31 to, yeah, so about, I would say 10-ish to 15 minutes. Or not even, yeah, 10 minutes, I'd say. And then it generated this. So basically now from here, we can just add upon it. So it doesn't have any projects, right? Yeah, so, okay. Okay. Let's add project data. Okay, and then let's go to my website, old website. I'm gonna tell it to scrape it, and then this is the main link to my projects. Go into each one and create a project onto my landing page to display them. Okay, so I guess make some data structure to store it somewhere onto the website. Nice. So making this type with a project creates the objects and stuff, so it can basically use it when displaying the projects. I think this we're using React here, right? Yeah, with Tailwind and stuff. Oh, nice. Okay, so I scrape the data and put it into nice objects, hard coded values in here and stuff. Um, and yeah, it's pretty nice how it did it. Structuring it into objects and stuff. So yeah, let's see what we can get done in the last 7 minutes of this. So it looks like you're gonna have to use like Lovable and Cursor. I would say more of like a hybrid model, just because it doesn't do everything on itself. I feel like, especially with making nice UI, I always start with making using Lovable. Okay, so he got this, but he doesn't get the images. He got all my projects and stuff, which is good. Seems like the images are not loading up. Okay, nice. Got all these, and it's making separate pages for them. It's good. Restarting it. Let's see where we're at. Okay, why did it run on 8081? That's odd. Okay, I guess it's odd that something else is running. Okay, very cool. So we got, I guess it's just technology. Why is it? Okay, something's kind of off about these and stuff, but that's okay, I guess. You know what? Make what the heck? Make sure to add the display images for my projects. It doesn't have any of that, so I want to make sure if we can do that. I don't. Ideally, I don't want to provide it because I feel like that's too much work I'm giving it to. So should be able to just go to the website and do it itself. Okay. Got the skills. Nice. I like this. You know what? Might need to help it a little bit. Let's do some of it ourselves. There we go. Okay. And then the hover, we can fix it, I think. Hover, because this is like it does the. So now, okay. Is that a thing? 10. Okay. Interesting. There we go. Put a little bit of hover on it. Okay. Nice. Okay, I guess it got the structure in place. Now the images, we just got to get the images in place properly. It just looks like it's placehold. What is this placehold? What the heck? A simple, fast, and free placeholder service. Interesting. Okay, I didn't know that. Wow. So it looks like I got all my projects, which is good. But okay, I got separate pages. It created the category, the timeline, good stuff, and it linked. I guess it linked it back here, but we're gonna need to fix that. Um, nice. Okay. Now I don't know why this is not how I like it. Make this resume button a bit more nicer. You can just go. Not that familiar with Tailwind, so do the same for this button. Great. Okay, so we also got it here, but yeah, let's make this hover a bit better. There we go. Nice. Contact about and goes to the sections, which is good. Now I need the images in a better way, but guess we're reaching to our last minute here. So yeah, I think that's basically it, what I got done in the 30 minutes time. I think we can really flush it out another 30 minutes here to get it, fully running and deployed, I think. But right here is basically what I was able to get done with Lovable and did a pretty good job. It looks like it's responsive. Yep, very nice. And with the images, we just need to add. Let's just set another 30 minutes just to make sure we can get this done. Um, okay, so let's see where we're all. So back. Looks like the tool is exhausted, so might need a. Okay, I don't like this right here. Why is this here? Um, okay. Let's just say improve the image handling. Okay, so let's see what it's doing here. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna give it the images that I want. Let's see if this works. Replace the image for using the screenshot I just give it. So let's see if we can do this, then we can be sure that it'll work for the other projects also. guess it's downloading it first. Oh, what the heck? Why is it doing like that? Nah, we gotta. Okay, how about this? Let's create a images, right? Images projects. Okay. Let's just. I'm gonna do this. Save image as, and we'll start saving it into download. So yeah. So yeah, it's not doing like that. So let's yeah. So downloads. Let's quickly do that. So use the image in public images projects folder. Okay. So now it should pull it from there. Bro, like, stop. Images, and you just use them, okay? They're stored in public images projects folder. Let's delete this because I don't know what it picked up here. And let's call this, rename this bot to bot. Okay. Wait, stop. It's now called. So I guess I just do that for all these. This is my feed me image. We can just call this a feed me. And then accounts connect. You know what I want to do? I think I might just pull it up for. 'Cause that's pretty old. Okay, so I guess it's just putting placeholders until I put it in there. So yeah, I think let's use this image right here. This is how Accounts Connect looks right now. So save it. Just call this Accounts Connect. What? Where did I save it? Hold up. No, not here. Not here. Not here. Let's go to downloads. Okay, right here. So it says that the bot bookie app. Okay, nice. So we actually uploaded it. I don't like how it's like displaying it in the cards, but I guess it's fine for now. You know what? I might even ask it to can you spin up a light and dark mode and set the light mode as default? I should be able to do this really quickly. Okay. Just in case. Because I know some people don't like dark mode, so yeah. I think this is a nice image too, but yeah, you know what? I might even just include this. Let's make this the yeah, let's probably replace it for now. And what I'll do is, you know what? I'll use this. Do it like that. let's replace it. Okay. Now I need to I want to get these projects, right? So it's okay. I mean, I really like this image that I used. You know what? But I guess this shows better. It's okay. We can just use that for now. I guess I'll just comment that out. I don't really like adding that project right now anymore. But let's just do some of the projects where I think would be good to add. This one's nice too. Okay. Okay. Looks like it. Damn. Okay, so I guess we got some of it done. Yeah, I don't like. What is up with this gray? Like, like AI's. It's it's still like not good for UI. I'm like sorry, but like the UI is just not it. Change the cards to a lighter to white with let's see, with a gray, with light gray border on the light theme. Okay. Otherwise, it's good in the dark theme. It does what it is, you know. But yeah. Okay, so let's also add the images. So now that we have the images, let's put it in here. Okay. Also, I've added the images in the folder. So up, so add them in the corresponding project. Like, what is this? Like, I cannot even see it in light mode. No. Okay, great. Let's update it. Let's also change all this text in light mode. Change the primary text to darker text. Let's see what it does there. About 18 minutes left, guys. Let's see how it is. Okay, good. So it's we're getting somewhere. Okay, now we got the images loading up, and I don't think we need a. What the heck? What? Oh, I guess it's still doing it. Maybe. these links, I guess, are not working also. So, I guess it's also just updating everything right now. So I'll let it do what it is. Some of these links are dead. Green Canada. Why didn't it pick up Green Canada? Let me just do it myself at this point, dude. Did I beat it to it? I mean, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't want this project on here, so let's remove it. Just comment it out for now. Let's remove this for now. Not really important for my dev portfolio anymore. So yeah. Okay, I think that's getting better. I just want to change this right here because I do not like how it is right here. Um, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it know. Increase the height of the preview card images for the project. Other than that, it didn't even like. Okay, I guess it did it for the project cards, but like, okay, let me just see. Oh, how do you? I forgot what the. Let me see what chat says. Darker, like black. Let's put it black. Or you know what? What did we use here actually? Hold up. What did we use here? Let's see. Oh, text. Okay, we'll just use this. Okay, so we change this, and you know what? Let's just change. It's white here, but I don't know why it's dark here. Okay. Um. Okay. Fixed it there. Yeah, and I guess that's fine. Yeah, but it's still cutting it off. Like, I don't like how it's cutting it off, but still better. I guess increase the sizes and stuff. It's a bit better. And you know what? Let's also add my profile image. So I'll just put it in here. So let's go images or file explorer. So images. Let's rename this to okay, profile picture. And we can just put this into images instead of the projects. Why did it go in projects? Like put in images, upload. Bro, why do I look like that in there? That's like such an old picture too. Like, oh my god, that just, oh my god, I don't know what to say. Like, no, absolutely not. What's my thing again? And then, um, bro, I just changed my password. Like, what's the password? There we go. Okay, so, what, bro? Okay, that's good. All right, let's add this one. Save image as profile pic. How's that look like? Let's see. Cheese. Okay, okay, okay. Let's just use that one. You know what? We could delete this old one. Actually, wait, no. Yeah, delete this old one. And now what I'll do is upload, or I should say add my profile image. Where should we add it? Beside, maybe. Beside the title text, title of where it says full stack dev. My image is in public images profile pic. Okay, great. Okay, good, good, good. Now, you know what? Let's change this color to, bro, what's it? Where do we, oh, follow me for, you know what? I don't think we need this section right now. We can just keep it like that. And you know what? And for my links right here, I wanna links right here, right? So wherever I do, where's that at? Nah, bro. I'm trying to go through all of this. Oh, where do we do this? Like hero section, project detail, project section, hero section. There we go. Okay, so right here, href. I guess I'm gonna have to put it myself. These things right here. GG's. Okay. You know what? Somehow, let's see if I can even add this thing right here. Where's my, yeah, the post, right? I guess we can. But I guess right now it's fine. Okay. I'll just do this myself. Like it's just faster at this point. What did we do? It was text gray 700, I think. No. Yeah. Okay. And then this, I don't know why this is centered, fam. Okay. Back on gray. Back on white. White. And don't need this. Back on white. Can we just do that? Or bro, what am I changing right now? Oh shit. Okay, let's change this. Yeah, okay, that should work. Ooh, that looks much cleaner. Okay, even though I didn't even mean to do that, but that looks much cleaner. And then okay, and then this I want to do text center. No, text left, right? How do we do that here? Block text small, font gray, name, text align. Wait, how do I align text? How to align text left in Tailwind. Text left. Oh, bruh. Thank you. Okay. There we go. Okay, beautiful. And let's just make this. Bro, I'm not a big fan of Tailwind, but I see why people use it because it's like quick development. Like you can spin up stuff quickly, and especially for like AI and stuff. Um, yeah, I just wouldn't use this if I were creating something on a large scale. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful, amazing, amazing. 5 minutes left, guys. See what we can get done in 5 minutes. Did I add my image? Like, same for nav bar, resume button, and um, this text. Okay. Final those changes, and then I think it's looking much better. Yeah, it's looking way better than what it was. And oh, I like this. Okay, but why didn't you just add it here, like fam? Like you added to the. Okay. Yeah. Add the profile image to the title page as well. The main page as well. Those two last changes, I think we're pretty much set here. I think I guess yeah, it's ready to be deployed. I'll just add it to my um. Nice. Okay. Beautiful. I like it. Nice. It fixed this in dark mode also. Great. We made some progress, guys. And yeah, very nice. These links, I'm just gonna have to do this manually. I don't think it's getting it from. You know what? Probably could get it from Framer. Probably have these links somewhere here. Oh, I guess I don't. Maybe here? Yeah, I do. Okay. Add this in my site for my socials. Oh, code review accepted. Nice. This usually would have taken me like back in the day, 8 hours at least. A nice, a nice one, 8 to 10 hours from scratch, not using ChatGPT, nothing. Yo, like with chat, like bare things are capable now. Very nice. Oh my god, why do you go back to this thing? Uh, okay, nice. So we added the socials, and they should work. Yeah, nice. It's going to my socials. Check me out on TikTok if you guys want. And yeah, okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, yep. The only step from here would be to I've connected this with my repo. My repo is connected to Netify, and then I'll just deploy it on howdyamir.com, and you guys can check that out. But yeah, this is pretty much the end result in terms of the UI and stuff. And I think we did a pretty good job here. It followed the same theme, the purplish theme that I was going for. Yeah, I just gotta fix this right here in dark mode, but yeah, everything else I think is good. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.